6 signs he wants to marry you. How to tell if he truly loves you and wants to marry you. How would a man act around you once he knows you're the one he wants to be with for the rest of his life. These are 6 signs your boyfriend will ask you to marry him someday. 1. He cares about you. If a man shows he cares, that is a sign he's committed to you and probably considers you as a future wife. In a casual relationship, you will never see that. On top of that, you truly feel he thinks about you, he's compassionate and cares about your comfort. No, my dear, that's not a fairy tale, that's true love and you have it. Here are a few signs he deeply cares about you. He checks your tires before a long trip or just before the winter season comes. He asks how your day was every single day and then he listens to your answer. He listens to you when you share a problem and offers his help if you need it. If you don't live together, he calls you in the evenings to be sure you're home and safe. Often, he comes up with ideas and solutions you haven't thought about yet. He makes you aware he's around if you need something, and he proves it every time. He touches your hand without a reason, just to enjoy that physical comfort of being with you. He drops other plans if you need him. 2. You've met his family. If he sees you as a woman who takes him away from the boring reality, you will never reach his closest people. It's not only because they're too special for him, but because they'll ask him about you long after you two break up. And no man wants to be bothered answering his mom's questions about the women he dates. However, if he considers you a woman to keep in his life for longer, and why not for life, he will introduce you to his family. Going as a couple to a family event is almost the same as going as a family. So if you've met his parents, aunts and uncles, then congratulations, he thinks you have a future together. 3. He talks about having a family. Men know that if they mentioned having a family one day, the woman next to them would include herself in the picture too. They understand that if they don't want a future with you, they shouldn't talk about any future at all. That's why not every man does it, especially if he is unsure about having a serious, committed and long-lasting relationship with the woman next to them. If your loved one doesn't feel shy to talk about having a family one day, then in his mind, half of the work is done. He's found the person to create it with. He might be just checking if you're on the same page as him. A man that doesn't have you as his wife on his mind would never risk giving you false hopes in that direction. He would just play it dumb and that's it. 4. You feel you're his priority. When you want to have a family with someone, he becomes your priority. You care about their plans, feelings, and well-being. Do you feel you're his priority? Here are a few examples of it. He makes time for you two to be together. He knows that being with you isn't something to do in his free time. It's an actual part of his everyday life. He makes you feel welcome and a significant part of his life. He cancels plans with others if you truly need him. He makes sure you're okay with his plans for the weekend. In fact, most of the time, you plan the weekend together. He's always on time for your dates and tries not to leave you waiting for too long. He likes to show off with you when you are out with his friends. He mentions your achievements and is proud of your successes. You never compete for his attention and you feel relaxed and calm when his attention is on other people. You aren't jealous someone else gets more of him than you. 5. You live together and things are going well. Living together with your partner is almost the same as being married to him. It is the best practice ever before the wedding. It all depends on the reasons you live together though. If he proposed you to come to live in his place because it's financially better for both of you, and anyway you love each other, I have a surprise for you. He is not so sure if he will marry you. The only reason to live together should be because it is the logical next step. You love each other and you want the other presence all the time in your life. In that case, congratulations! He wants to marry you someday and he wants to see what a life with you would be like. 6. You already act like a family. Yes, you live together, you make plans for the weekend, the summer, and how you spend this Christmas at his parents and then Easter at yours. He's showing off with you everywhere. His family knows you and they often check up on you. You argue, but none of you thinks like it's a big deal. You certainly act as you're a family. That means he's ready to make it official one day. He knows you're the one and wants to spend his life with you. It's a true sign he wants to marry you. These were 6 signs your boyfriend will propose to you soon. I have 6 more for you, and they're even more in-depth signs. Click the link in the description to check on them. Visit drforlove.com for more tips on how to enjoy a healthy relationship. Like, subscribe, comment, share.